The HP printer error code 0X61000020 is associated with driver and connectivity issues, as well as mechanical obstructions, and can force a reboot of the printer. If left unaddressed, the error may persist. Common causes of this error include paper jams or obstructions, empty or unsealed ink tanks, and a printhead that needs cleaning. Network and connectivity issues, such as an unstable connection, can also trigger this error code in network printers. To resolve the issue, start by fixing any paper jams. Unplug the printer, remove papers from the input tray, and gently take out any stuck papers from the rollers, moving them in the same direction as the rollers to avoid tearing. Check for dust buildup and clean it with a damp cloth if necessary. Then, plug in the printer, turn it on, and test it. Cleaning the printhead is also essential, and this can be done in 3 ways. From the front panel by loading paper, tapping the settings icon, selecting image quality maintenance, and then clean printhead. From the embedded web server by loading paper, accessing the web server, selecting the Tools tab, and then Print Quality Toolbox and clean printhead. Or from HP Utility by loading paper, opening HP Utility on the computer, going to Support, and selecting Printhead Cleaning. If these steps do not work, try resetting the printer by ensuring it is turned on and in idle mode. Removing the power cord, unplugging it from the outlet, waiting 60 seconds, plugging it back in, and reconnecting it to the printer. Then powering it on and letting it complete the warm-up procedure before testing it.